welcome you all. And in this video, I'm gonna represent my team, that is active developers, and I will talk about the experience that we have gained from the event organized by F5 developers, whose name is WDC 2020. So our team was active developers T75. Okay, so the full name was WDC T75. So basically, what learnings that I have gained by making this project educational website. So yes, I have gained the basic knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript earlier, and Bootstrap also. But by making this website, I researched a lot, and with my friend, and then we are able to make this website using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap to make each and every part of the website. And basically the intent behind the website was also, I think, very nice, because this is the thing that we wanted in our society, that the education should be for all, and it should not be like anyone who should be deprived of the conditions that he must be having now. So that's why we have introduced a concept. But yes, we are just students, so we can't implement by ourselves. But yes, if this something happens, if someone contributes, then we will be the first one to get into it, and we will also contribute. So if I talk about the experience when I first got to know about the WDC contest. So basically, actually, I want to tell you honestly that this was our first ever contest that I have participated in. And then I contacted Darshan. Okay, so I have told him about the contest, and then we have coordinated with each other, and then we had decided that we will be participating in a team, and we will be making a educational website. Okay, then we decided an idea, and based on that idea we have made this project. So it was too good. And F5 developers has given us a really great opportunity, as they had given some deadlines to that, and they have announced the result very earlier, and they will also give the opportunities to winners as well. So a really great arrangement done by F5 developers, and I appreciate that. That is really free of cost. There was no entry fees at all by them also. So yes, they are also going on that path, that is education for all, because everybody gets a chance to make his or her own project, and that gives a really great understanding. Okay, so if I talk about my team, that is active developers, that is me, Harpreet Singh, and Darshan. So one thing that I would like to tell you is Darshan lives in Karnataka, and I, Harpreet Singh, lives in Delhi. So there was a two-state gap. Okay, and it was all done virtually. We have contributed to each other's code through GitHub. Then we have contacted to each other by WhatsApp, and by we were having some meets, that is Google Meet and Zoom Meet, and then we have all made this website part by part. I made some part, and he also has made the major part of the website, because he is senior to me by 1 year, and he knows a lot more than me. And I also understand by how to make different sections, like partner section, okay, the footer sections, okay, how to contact, make these things, and he makes some updations in mine, and then testimonials, and then he has the major content with himself, and he made the proper website for us. Then I made the presentation of that, and then F5 developers loved that idea, and then we got the first prize, hopefully, and that was a really surprising moment for us, and we haven't expected it, but yes, that happens. So it was really, overall, if I talk about, it was really a superb experience that I have got through this contest organized by F5 developers. Thank you very much.